I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over setting up your Mailing Boss account for the very first time. The first time you go into your Mailing Boss account, you're going to have to put in a few details to set it up. The first thing you're going to have to do is your first name and last name, and obviously this is what your emails are going to be sent from. Once you put your first name and last name in, click Next, and then it's going to ask you a few questions about your business. This information will appear at the bottom of your emails and helps providers to deliver your email in the inbox. You're going to want to put the name of your business and your website URL to appear at the bottom of emails, and then you're going to need to put a default sending email address. This can't be a Gmail or a Yahoo account. It needs to be from a domain, or a domain that you've purchased, such as yourname.com. And here you put hello@yourname.com. And then you can put the email you want people to reply to right here. Once you've entered all of your details, click Next. And next you're going to need to put your business address. This needs to be on the bottom of every single email that you send to comply with CAN-SPAM laws. It's absolutely essential that you put your real address in here because there's hefty fines if you don't comply with CAN-SPAM laws. You need to put your real address in here, and Mailing Boss will make sure that it's at the end of every single email and that you're complying with CAN-SPAM laws. Once you've put in your address and selected your country, click Next. Then you're all set up. If you ever need to edit anything, you can come into your account details here and you can edit your account info and your company info. And then to start sending, we need to add a domain and verify it. Then we need to come into sender emails and verify an email to start sending from. And there's two different trainings showing exactly how to do that. Once you've set up your domains and set up your sender emails, you are ready to start sending from Mailing Boss. In this video, we went over setting up Mailing Boss for the very first time.